Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Zaidan from 12 MIPA 7. Today, I'm going to guide you how to install light bulb into the light bulb socket. Step 1. Make sure the power on the light bulb socket is turned off by turn the switch upwards. Step number 2, grab yourself with a light bulb. You can afford it from any convenience store like any local electricity store. And then step number 3, use any supports. Generally speaking, light bulb sockets are found in a hard to reach location, so that means you need any supports to reach the light bulb sockets. Step number 4, insert the light bulb into the light bulb sockets. Gently but firmly. Gently but firmly push the light bulb into the light bulb socket and then turn the light bulb clockwise until you feel it's locked on the place. Step number 5. Turn on the light bulb by turn the switch facing downwards. And that's all. Thank you for watching the video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.